All right, guys, this is gonna be a fun challenge. That was a bird. We have a 5-minute plank workout to do together. So this is awesome to help develop wrist strength, shoulder strength, core strength. You're also gonna feel your hip flexors. So if you get tired, feel free to rest. If your wrists are killing you, some of the movements we can do on our forearms, but not all of them. So we'll try to do our best. Let's go ahead and get started in high plank. So you're gonna come to a top of a push-up position, extend your heels back, reach your heart forward, and just start to move a little bit front to back. So this forward shift will help you notice kind of the alignment of your shoulders, but also the effort required in plank in the feet as well. So a lot of people tend to not use their feet in plank, and I want you to think today, plank is a full body workout. So you're using your legs, your core, your shoulders, your arms. From here, we're just gonna step our feet a little bit wider, and we're gonna allow our heels to drop as we reach up, side plank. Exhale, switch, side plank. 2 more times each side. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last time, inhale, up. Exhale, down, and then inhale, up. Exhale, back down. From there, we're gonna slowly extend our heart forward, bring our feet together, raise our right foot. Exhale, you're gonna tap your foot across. Bring your right knee to your tricep. 2, pinch, 3 more. 3, pull it in. 4, pull it in. Last one, 5, pull it in. Right to that second side, left toes up, tap, 1, tap, 2. Try to touch your tricep. 3, 2 more. 4, and 5. Good. Lower to those forearms. Forearms down, heart forward again, shift. So this motion is called jigsaw. Forward and back, 4, 3, 2, just hold and freeze and feel the effort. Now we're gonna press back up to the hands, and then exhale, lower the right and the left. Press back up to the hands, lower the right and the left. Press back up to the hands, and then switch. So if you need to, drop those knees. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. Left, right, left, right. If your knees are down, try to pick them up nice and strong. Open those feet. And then again, side plank, reach, shift, reach, shift. Reach up with that right arm, bring it down. Good work, guys. You should have your heart rate up. You should feel it, because I feel it. And then last time, reach up. Good, and down. This time, feet together, look forward. Pick up the right heel and just kind of start to pulse it up and down. For 8, 7, 6, little pulses. 4, 3, 2, exhale, hold it. And now switch. Left leg up, little pulses. Again, if you need to, right knee down to pulse. For 8, 7, 6, 4. Keep going. 3, 2, and hold. Good. Drop the forearms. Nice and strong here, belly in tight. So be careful that you're not popping your tailbone up. Stay nice and flat, heart forward. Stay strong. We're gonna press right back up. And then we're just gonna reach our right arm out in front of us. Put it down. Left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm. 3 more each side. 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 3, 3. Let's drop our right forearm down. Shift over, hand to hip. Good. Stay here. Maybe lift this top leg. Maybe keep your hand on your hip. It's your top arm, not your leg. 3, 2, let's go ahead and go right to that second side, rotate over. Stay here, hand to hip or up. 3, 2, lift those hips higher, come back to center, straighten those arms, big press, and we have about 1 minute to go, okay? So from here, we're gonna lift our heart forward. We're gonna lift our right leg, take it out, bring it in, out and in. 3 more, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in. 5 on the left. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 4, 5. Good. Heart forward. Let's drop the right and the left. Hold in our forearms and then dip. side to side. Good, get those feet squeezing together nice and tight. Shifting left to right. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold in center, heart forward. Straighten those arms. Hold it, heart forward. 5, 4, 3, 2. You made it. Drop those knees. Whew, awesome work, guys. Maybe repeat it so you got 10 minutes of plank work. Otherwise, you did an awesome job. I'm super proud of you. Way to go. Thanks so much. If you have any questions about plank, feel free to comment below.